Anything else? I think I have everything I need. Anything else? Face cleanser. This is the right place to put the camera to talk because there's nowhere else to do. As you guys know, like I did a couple of stuff. I had to run a couple of errands, and there was a lot of things to do today. It's been raining pretty bad here, and most of my clothes are wet, so I've got to go to the laundry to get my clothes done, and also bring my car for a wash and get it going for my studies. Like I really gotta study because my exams are coming up, so there's a couple of things to do, and I'm really tied up today. So I just want to say a massive thank you to all of you who had been watching my MAC lipstick video on YouTube. Like sorry guys, there is a breakout here. I always get breakout on my chin, so it's nothing new. So yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you who had really supported me in my MAC lipstick video. I think that's one of the best. Like it's really hitting up to like 8,000 views as of today. I think I put it out like 4 or 5 months ago if I'm not mistaken. So I just want to say a huge thank you. Like I didn't know like lipstick swatches get a lot of views. I'm just doing YouTube because I really love taking videos of my life, of makeup itself. So there's nothing much going on, and I just want to say a huge thank you to those of you. So like I said guys, there's a couple of things to do. I placed the camera in this position because this is like the fastest and easiest way for me to like talk before I drive, because I don't want people to think that I'm crazy when I'm in the car, because I tend to do this a lot whenever I'm on Instagram, like Instagram live or stories. So even me having the camera in this position and talking in this angle, weird in a way guys. Just get going with the day, and I hope you guys are having a great one. And that being said, I love you guys and thank you so much for your love and support. Let's go. So it's another day for another breakfast. So I'm gonna go out and just getting the car started up, like warm up, and I'm gonna go ahead and have my breakfast with my little brother, and then we will, I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, just gonna be outside and then be back soon. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I received a couple of packaging and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. The first parcel that I opened was actually this from Brainzyme. This is actually a supplement from UK. It's very good and healthy for my brains, because that's how it says here. It's a focus supplement. Next up, I got this from Flora Cosmetics, and oh, the ribbon is up. Actually here like this. This is so gorgeous. about to go live on my Instagram right now with Ashley. So she's a social media influencer, and you know, despite of everything, we decided, like, you know, let's just take our time and do live video. And she's amazing. I really love her personality. So we're about to talk about the real life struggle behind social media and the entire influencing world. And you know, we micro bloggers and micro influencers, we face a lot of things on a day-to-day basis. So today we're just gonna go ahead and address this. I'm waiting for her to come live soon so we can, you know, go ahead and talk. I have my coffee ready and I'm about to go live in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Say goodbye. Can you stay for a while? Let's stop time forever before we have to say goodbye. Can you stay for a while? Let's stop time forever before we have to say goodbye. Can you stay for a while? Let's stop time forever.
Hey guys, so here I received another parcel from Subham, and let's go ahead and open this up. This is a dual cooling moisturizing cream body wash, and this on the other hand is the body let me just see this again. It's a body moisturizer, guys. I'm pretty new to this product and I also want to know, like, what are the benefits that this gives me. So it's good to know that it relieves dry skin itch because I have eczema, and probably this is going to be a good fit for me. So let's go ahead and see what they say.